I'm so glad you came back to join another story time with Mimi. The book I have today is called Skin Like Mine by Latishia M. Perry. This is Latishia M. Perry. Isn't she pretty? She's very, very smart. She wrote this book, and I think you'll like it. The pictures are done by B. Jackson. Skin like mine is quite divine. In fact, I'd say it's one of a kind. I wouldn't trade for any other shade. I love my brown skin. Oh, where do I begin? My sister and I are both shades of brown. Me like peanut butter, and she a hazelnut spread, both creamy and smooth. If I had to choose, it'd be hard for me, because both are so yummy. Skin like mine is really neat, sort of like a brownie treat. Dark chocolate brown, so tasty and sweet. I love my skin from my head to my feet. When I look at Krampa's skin, you know what comes to mind? Caramel, that's it. A touch of golden brown drizzled on top of your ice cream. Oh wee! This is making my tummy hungry. My best bud in the whole world is Sean. We're like cookies and cream. When we're together, our skin color doesn't mean a thing, because we know it's what's inside that matters the most. Color should never keep two people from being close. Imagine a world with one hue of colors. How boring that would be. I don't know about you, but I like variety. Like a bag of lollipops, each bringing a different splash of flavor to my mouth. If everyone was the same, wouldn't that be a shame? Skin like mine is quite divine. In fact, I'd say it's one of a kind. I wouldn't trade for any other shade. I love my skin. Oh, how I love my brown skin. Thank you for being a good listener. And until I see you next time, have a good night. Bye-bye.